What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Alright, so on this episode of Is It Something Illegal, we're going to go ahead and open up this brick of who knows what, and just see how it goes. So hopefully I can still upload this, of course. We'll see what it is. Alright, so we're ripping it open. Okay, there is just a box in there. Nothing that I have to worry about scratching. It's just a brown box. Ooh, okay, so CAMDUCK. So this is one that I actually did receive an email for. This is an interesting one. This is a security system for when you want to add a camera to your house, but you don't want it to be very noticeable. You don't want people to know that it's there for whatever purpose. So they sent over a high-end hidden camera. This is called the CAMDUCK-X. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at what this is. This could be a very interesting security feature. If used for good, of course. This can be, of course, used for wrong in many ways. But let's take a look at the device itself. So this is a 4-port plug. You can plug 4 things into it, as well as 2 USB ports and a USB-C. And it has little cat ears on top as well. But the thing is, there is a camera and microphone built into this device. So as you're using it, you can actually view a camera feed of what's going on. Now, in order to set this up, they've given you a few items here. So, for example, they give you a guitar pick, which is essentially used to get into the top of the device here. So that's the top, and you put the guitar pick in and pop this off, and you can see that you can place the SD card right there. So it kind of hides that there's an SD card in there. They do give you a screw so you can secure it to the wall right here. So that goes into any standard outlet, it plugs in, and again, these ports do work. So this isn't going to obstruct the camera. That's not actually the camera. The camera is actually in here somewhere. But this screw goes inside of there, and it will secure it to the wall so that no one tampers with it. And then they've also given us a little USB drive. Now, would you plug in a USB drive from a company selling these types of security products? Maybe you skip the USB drive. You don't really need that, right? But kind of nice that it's included, right? So for those of you into security stuff, this is a pretty cool little spy camera. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one.